Keith, we were talking last week about as Hurricane Ida was forming, how dangerous it was going to be. And it also, we realized in the last couple of days how fast it was too.
Yeah, and so where we left it, I last worked on Thursday, and I said you don't want to let a hurricane loose in the Gulf this time of the year, and unfortunately that turned out to be true. And now it's a matter, Pat, of whether or not we get any influence from that. So we'll talk more about that in a second. We'll start with where we are, which is most of us seeing a nice start to the day. Temperatures upper 70s, upper 60s over northern Maine, but not far away is a line of showers that's already starting to move in kind of out of the foothills into the interior here. And you can see it's holding together pretty good. And then we've got another line behind it. That's the actual front. So this line will come through, shower, maybe a rumble of thunder. Then we'll see what develops on the back end as far as thunderstorms go. The models like the back end, the second front, better. So we'll keep an eye on that later this afternoon into this evening for the possibility of some thunderstorms there. Kind of stronger than the first line, which will be mainly rain showers. Either way, this front gets offshore tonight, and we're in good shape tomorrow. It looks really nice. A lot of sunshine, temperatures upper 70s to around 80 degrees. It should be mostly sunny for the vast majority of the state. Nice clear night tomorrow night, and then we'll start Wednesday with a lot of sunshine as well. Might be able to get in most of the day on Wednesday. Nice with a lot of sunshine until late afternoon when clouds start moving in. And this is kind of the very leading edge of what's left of Ida. So just to catch you up on that, obviously you're aware that it made landfall as a major hurricane yesterday just to the south of Grand Isle, Louisiana. And it held together for quite a while. This is all kind of marsh and swamp down here, so there's a lot of available moisture and energy. Now it's down to a tropical storm, and it's lost most of its real wind power. So it's now about moisture. So we can track that coming out of Louisiana and moving towards us. Now the models disagree on the last motion of this storm on Thursday. The GFS pushes it just a bit farther south, so we get a really kind of passing blow of rain over far southern Maine. This is the European model. The European model pushes it a little bit farther north, and so we get some substantial rain in here Thursday afternoon into Thursday night before what's left of Ida moves away. So we'll keep an eye on which of those two solutions it is, because it's going to make a big difference between whether or not we just get a little rain over southern Maine or we get several inches of rain across the entire state. Right now we're playing it as the wetter solution on Thursday, and we can always back that off if we need to. Obviously the wind is not a problem with this system. By the time it gets to us, it's going to be just straight tropical moisture, and whether or not we have any flash flooding from that. Clearing on Friday. The weekend at this point looks pretty decent, although I will tell you, Pat, I do not see any significant heat, and it starts to get a little scary as you roll into September when you don't see any big heat on the horizon.
That's right. August just has one more day to go here,
yeah.
So we need to wrap our minds around that.
Exactly.
Thank you, Keith.